Well, looky here. KC Tech in the desk. I am unboxing the Sony XE200. Got it on sale because it was an open box. So it's unboxing something that somebody already unboxed. Let's see what we got up in here. I'm pretty sure paperwork would have been in this part. And the charging cable. Here's the paperwork right here. Not in the right place. And here is the speaker right here. Decent looking speaker. I'm going to be doing a review on this. And this is the USB A to C charger that comes with it. But yeah, here's all the literature that you need. So yeah, quick little unboxing of the Sony XE200. It's supposed to be waterproof. About 16 hours of playtime under moderate usage, not, blasting it at 100%. It's supposed to have hands-free calling as well, which I will never use with this. But yeah, it's a nice looking piece of hardware. And with it being Sony, you have expectations of greatness. Unfortunately, you know what? Let me not. Yeah. Let me not.